Hi guys, my name is Varun, as you can remember. Today we're gonna record a gaming video. We're gonna be playing Forza Horizon 4. This is only the demo version, so it won't be like ultra. So anyway, this is kind of like the intro for Forza, as you can see. So this is the intro. It shows like a car, and then you go into the settings, and then you just press A, which gets you to the part, right? So yeah, and it gives you a sort of like an intro and like that. The race really starts. It's like kind of like it kind of immerses you first, and then it just like shows a car, and the car ends up being your racing car. Pretty cool, right? So if we wait for a few more seconds, it's gonna start the race in car. So come on. So this is the car I'll be using. Let's go. And shows a few pictures of the car, and then I actually start driving it. So it has different seasons. This one is autumn, a new beginning, and let's go! Yeehaw! Let's go. Oh my god, need to make a turn. Oh, there's another turn here. Let's beat them. Oopsie. Let's rewind. Now let's go again. Yee! Oh, I better beat them up. Let's go. Beat them up. Oh, ow. Oh god. I crashed into some rocks. Oh my gosh. Now let's go. I better beat him. Yes, I beat him. I pulled ahead. I got 140 miles per hour. Oh, move you, van. Just go. Yes. Oof. Go faster. Oh, I just smashed. I better take a restart. That slowed me down like 50 miles per hour in like 1 second. Okay, now let's try again. Yo, I just beat. Okay, I messed up there. I was literally flying. Wow. Okay. Let's go. Oh my god. Better do a rewind. That was kind of cool actually. I kind of did like a flip. Better rewind multiple times with this. And let's go. Yeah. We're still in autumn, by the way. Go. Oh, water. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Crash. I'm driving on the grass. Let's go. Go faster. 120, 130, 140. Oh yeah, let's go. Turn. Beat this truck. Rewind. Okay, I better do this again. Let's go. Yeah, this time I should pull ahead. Yes! Perfect transition. Oh my gosh. I think now it's time for winter. Let's go. Winter, now you get like different kinds of cars. They have good grip on the ice. I am this car right here. A song of ice and tires. Let's go! Okay. Oh my god. Oh no. I'm 6th place, now 7th. I wanna beat this. I don't think I can. Oof. Driving across. Breaking the road signs. Position 7 out of 12. I at least want to be in the top 5. It sounds like I'm a pro at racing. Checkpoint. Okay, 20% progress. Now 25. Just up. Trees. Sure that supercars will be able to smash through trees. Now let's go. Checkpoint. Better If you don't go into the checkpoint after 5 seconds, it just like, you know, resets you like before the checkpoint. You have to go in between those two like flare kind of thingies. Okay, I just did 50% of the race. But I'm still 7th place. Race and place. Nope. That literally stopped me in my tracks. Oh my gosh. Oh, I just like smashed into the flare. Oh my god, another checkpoint. Okay, I think that checkpoint is for 80%. Yeah, about 80% now. Oof, there's so many checkpoints. I better beat up these cars. Problem with this is you need like insane levels of grip if you want to be like first. Oh wait, oh my god, I reached 4th place. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Alright guys, this'll be easy.
Let's jump.
Let's go.
Let's go. Oh my gosh. There we go. Oh my god, now it's a new season. Spring. Okay, let's go. Springtime. I don't really like spring. At least in the racing game, it's not that good. Anyway, spring is in the air. Now I'm racing bikes. Wow. Okay, guys. I'm gonna make a part 2 of this video later, guys. Okay? So please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. And goodbye. Oh, and by the way, watch the next 10% of the race. Goodbye for now.